Wow, ang kalat!
Hi! Ilagay mo na napatayan ng ilaw yung ano.
Talaga ba? This is our room for 3 days and 2 nights. Sorry guys, so messy. Ew. And this is our outfit for today. We will go to Old Town and Shalal Cafe. Outfit check. This is from Tommy's Closet. This is from Matjari, I think. And this is the gift from my boss. And then shoes is from New Balance. Baliw. What about you? Outfit check.
Matjari Splash from 18 and walang yun na yun guys.
What about you, Angkor?
Night, Zara.
Bongga ng night. What about you? Tell me your outfit.
My outfit
Is from
from Divisoria.
From Divine.
DB.
Tell me your outfit.
Yes, my outfit is from Hong Kong. It's Adidas original. And the short also from Taiwan. Bigay ni Tommy. Gift niya sa akin.